We need to get some snacks for movie night. What are you in the mood for?
I'm thinking chips.
Chips again? We had them last week.
Okay, how about pretzels?
Pretzels? We had those the week before.
All right, what do you suggest then?
How about something healthy, like fruit?
Fruit for movie night. Are you trying to sabotage my snack game?
I'm just trying to balance out the chips and pretzels.
Fine, but if we buy fruit, you have to promise to eat it while I indulge in my snack empire.
Deal. And I'll make sure to keep the fruit away from your chips.
Deal. Now, let's find the perfect chip to fruit ratio.